Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main control board kit in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 5/16 and a 1/4-inch nut drivers, and a 5/8 open end wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a main control board, installation shield, bottom cover plate, wire harness, instructions, 4 standoffs for the control board, and a ground screw. The main control board controls and operates all the functions of the dishwasher. It's located behind the kick panel on the top. If one or more functions of your dishwasher is not working, check the main control board and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down, and then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16-inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. I'm going to hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Now we're going to tilt this dishwasher back and kind of jam it under the counter. So make sure it's not going to slide down on the floor. Now we need to remove this kick panel. There's 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 in each corner. I'm going to take them out using the nut driver and simply take it off. Okay, so we're going to disconnect this spark plug. There's a locking tab right here in the front, so press it in, pull out the plug. So put it out of the way. Now we're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that holds the control panel with the control board. Now I'm going to take out this 1/4-inch screw that holds the junction box cover and pull it off. And the control panel comes out. So now we're going to disconnect this spark plug, push in the locking tab and disconnect the power plug here. So we're going to drop down these the plate, mounting plate with the main control board, and pull out the harness from this cutout. So next we're going to disconnect these 3 power plugs. All of them has a locking tab, so I'm going to press down the tabs and remove the plug one by one. This is the old main control board kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start assembling the new main control board. First, we're putting down the bottom cover plate, and this shield will be mounted in this corner, so I'm going to slightly bend these 2 sides. I'm going to push it in. Next, we are going to lock these standoffs in. This side goes in. There's another one. And there's another one. And number 4 goes in here. Now I'm going to bring the control board itself, and I'm going to place it on this standoffs. Don't forget to install the ground screw on this new main control board, which is supplied in the kit. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to put it in. And now we can install it into the dishwasher. So now I'm going to hook up the new main control board assembly to the wire harness. I'm going to go have a color code here on all these plugs. Alright, so next we are going to route this harness into this cutout and this one into this cutout. So now I'm going to install this new main control board assembly into this place. Harness goes into cutout here and this harness into cutout over there at the back. It's only 2 places where it can go. And then we slide the cover in. So now we're going to secure it with 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 in each corner. Now we need to disconnect this 3 wire nuts so we can remove the old harness. Twist them off and part them. I'm going to straighten them up as much as you can. Alright, so now we are removing those 2 ground wires. So I'm going to take 2 1/4-inch screws out to take out the 2 ground wires. So we're going to discard this harness. So the new harness comes in and we need to attach the ground wires. They got to be attached separately. And I reuse those 1/4-inch screws. They should be tight. Alright. So next we're going to connect these 3 wires. As you can see, we have a green, white, and black. The green one is easy. It goes to the green color. It's a ground wire. So we're gonna take it out of the way by connecting it first. Tighten it real good. Alright, now I'm going to give you a little excursus in how you can recognize which wire is hot, so-called, which carries 120 volts, and which one is in neutral. So the neutral is the white, and the hot goes to the black. So if you can see, this wire has stripes, and this one we call it bold, no stripes. So without stripes, bold wire is a hot wire with 120 volts and it gets connected to the black wire. The one with the stripes is a neutral, connects to the white wire. Place them together and install the wire nut and twist it on. And then we're gonna go to the neutral. If you noticed, I did not twist the wires with my hands together. They were parallel, and then I did it with the wire nut. That's how it's supposed to be. Right. Now we can plug in this into the control board. Okay, let's put it in. So we can install the junction box cover. The box goes in this way. I'll slide it over. And the right side locks into the slot. And now I'm going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screw on the left side. And don't forget that we stashed the harness here on the door out of the way, remember? And now it's the time to plug it in. All right. So I'm going to place the kick panel on and leave it just to clear the legs. And we're going to secure it with the 1/4 inch screw, one on each side. Right now I'm going to put the dishwasher upright, and we can place it under the counter. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench. And then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with a 5/16 inch nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and continue using it as you normally do, because the control board has been preset at the factory. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.